Prof.Shi, and I'm your lab instructor of this week. Let me introduce you about our experiment 8. It's the acceleration due to using the linear air trap. Okay, let's draw a picture. As you see from the picture, we are using a device. Its name is air track. You can imagine that this is the air track. If you turn on the air blower, there are many little holes on the track. Air will go out from the hole, so it will reduce the resistance of the glide with the air track. So we want to create a frictionless environment for our experiment. What I want you to do is to measure the length of the air track and the height of it. So you have to keep it level for the first step. Then I'll give you some 1-inch height gliders, I think. You can measure that. So we can get the theta here. Our purpose is to measure the gravity due to the acceleration here. We can have some mathematical method to calculate that. Okay, so everyone has one electronic timer. We have 4 people as a group, so everyone will have we will have 4 electronic timers. You have to put a tape strip on 4 points. So make sure every length is equal to 50 centimeters. So you can put your glide here. Release it from the initial velocity of the 0. At the same instance, you may press your timer of the first point here. Then the next people can press the timer when it is at the point 2. So you will get 4 times. Then you will record that. Repeat the experiment for 10 times. Fill out the table there. I'll teach you how to calculate the acceleration. Thank you. Any question?
I have a question. What is your major?
Physics.
Physics. Physics?
Physics.
Thank you. And so you're using this calculation. I'm going to ask you the same question I asked before. How can you apply this to everyday situation?
Well, we can use this method to calculate the gravity in this room. While maybe in other rooms the gravity is different. So if we know the gravity, you can calculate your weight. You may see in some place your weight is lower than other place because of the gravity.
Really?
Yeah.
Even from room to room?
But your mass is remain the same, but plus the gravity. If you multiply that with the gravity, your weight is going to change. Yeah, in different locations.
Can you find me a room where I weigh less? I'm kidding. Go. Thank you. Any other questions? Don't be in a hurry. Anyone else? You guys are so quiet. Anyone? Do you have a question? Thank you very much. All right.